Hello class 2 students. Today we will continue with pronouns. Fine. And today we are going to learn few more pronoun words. So let's see on the board with few examples. So children, in the last class, in the previous class, we had been doing pronouns. Fine. So what are pronoun words? I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Isn't it? So, these are what? These are singular pronoun. For one person we use. And we use we, you, they in plural form. Pronouns in plural form. Today we are going to learn 3 more words in pronoun. Let us see which are these. And these words are her, him and them. Now her is related with female, she. Okay? And him, we use him for male person or for boys. Fine? Singular. Fine? And then them. Them is in plural form, whether it's she, he, it. Right? So today we are going, I'll just show you one example. Now look at the example. Neha is wearing a frock. The frock is red. Neha is playing with a ball. Neha's dog is also playing. So repeatedly we'll see Neha, Neha and Neha name is been repeated. Neha name has been repeated. So we are going to place it with a pronoun word. Right? Let's see. So the answer is Neha is wearing a frock. Fine? So the frock is red. So we are talking about frock. So it will be which pronoun? It. Okay? It is red. Next sentence is Neha is playing with a ball. So we are placing Neha noun with a pronoun. And for girl what we will use? She. She is playing with a ball. Then again Neha's dog is also playing. So now we will change Neha's with the other pronoun which is her dog is also playing. So here Neha's you see that is talking about whose dog it is, belonging to whom. Right? So we have used her dog is also playing in place of girl, her. Okay? Her dog is fine for female. Her dog is also playing. One more example. Deepa is a tall girl. I am taller than Deepa. So here the answer is what? Using her. Deepa is a tall girl. I am taller than her. Instead of using her name again, Deepa, I have used the verb her. Now look at this sentence. This is Peter. Okay? Peter is an intelligent boy. The teacher called Peter. Right? So we see here Peter being used again. So what we will do? We will use the pronoun here. Fine? Let's see what is the answer. So the answer is this is Peter. He is an intelligent boy. So Peter, boy, okay? So we are using what? He. The teacher called him. So instead of using this Peter again, we are using the pronoun him. Single person, right? We use him for boy, man. Fine. Now, look here, we have used him. Fine. Him is also a male singular pronoun. He is also a male singular pronoun. But remember, we cannot begin a sentence with him. Fine. We cannot write him is an intelligent boy. That is wrong. Him is added towards the end of the sentence. Like we cannot write the teacher called he. No. Now look at these two sentences. He is a good boy. Okay? That's correct. Him is a good boy? No, that's wrong. We cannot begin a sentence with him. Him is used at the end. This sentence is okay. I play with him. Fine? So you don't begin a sentence with him. Okay? Remember this. Sorry, let's see the example with more than one. That is what? Plural. We are going to see the example with them. Now, the sentence is, the mother loves children. The mother gives toys to the children. So here you see the underline, the mother, the children. It's being used again in the next sentence. So we have replaced it with what? Pronoun. The mother loves children. She gives toys to them. So them is used for what? More than one person. So children is what? Plural. Fine. So we have used them. Fine, children. So even in this sentence you see the mother. What? Female. So we have written she. Okay. With she you can begin the sentence. Okay. Gives toys to the children. As I told you, this is what? We have used them. So it is used at the end. Okay, you cannot begin a sentence with them. Same as I have told you with he and him. Fine. So when we do more of exercise, you will identify the difference. You can understand better. So children, you understand the concept using her, him, them. Fine. And when we do in the next class more exercise, written exercise, so as we write we will understand. Fine. So children, take care till we meet again in the next class with some more written exercise. Fine. Bye children.